So a man walked up to me in the street one day. He asked me if I wanted to play a card game using 3 cards. I said sure. He says we have this card, and that card. He said, so I want you to keep your eye on that card. He took that card, he put it right on bottom. He said, where is it? I said, clearly it has to be on bottom. He says, no, that's this card. He said, also, this card's on top. So where's that card? I said, well, then it has to be in the middle. He says, no, that's this card. I said, well, then you have to be using 3 this cards. He says, no, because that card's on bottom. That card's also on top. And that card's also in the middle. So, well, you have to be using 3 that cards. He says, no, because this card's on bottom. And then we have another this card, and then we have another this card. I said, well, then you have to be cheating somehow. He says, no, you said this card trick's kind of like a life lesson. He says, sometimes you get a little bit of this, sometimes you get a little bit of that, but not so much of the other.